story begins, a story of love that finally takes a shape. Story of Kajal and Sumit. 4th September and 6th September. Love in blood. Finally, it starts taking a shape. As made by my beautiful wife, and she has written, still I remembered that day when I met from you first time in tuition and something happened. Don't mind, but I did not like your handwriting. My God. You don't like my handwriting, Kajal?
Still, I don't like.
My God, my students like it. You taught me and don't know when I fell in love with you. Maybe because of your thinking or thoughts. It means you didn't like my handwriting, but you were liking the content.
Yes, whatever.
You used to do some things which always used to amaze me. Oh, really? Okay. In sickness, in health, in happiness and sorrow, I promise to always be there for you. And that's true. I know that. I wanted to say so many things, but I was unable. You taught me many things, not only English. You taught me to help others, how to make people happy, and finally you became my Mr. Perfect. So, am I really Mr. Perfect?
Yes.
So, my Mrs. Perfect, I am your Mr. Perfect. I know heart is not good.
Yeah,
No, it is really good. It is really good. You don't actually know the real shape of heart. It's worst as compared to this one. I don't know. I promise I will love you with all my heart. And I love you too. And this is what our ring ceremony. And it was something really amazing. I was shivering. Do you know I was shivering at that time when I was entering the community hall? You were also shivering.
Yes, I was like,
Why were you shivering? You were going to be engaged with me.
people were watching like.
So you were a new bride now, that's why. I love you and me. Here you have grammatical error. It should be I love you and myself.
Shut up. Okay, don't be a teacher all the time.
Every love story is beautiful, but ours is my favorite.
You're
Okay.
not reading the feelings. You are just taking my grammatical mistake.
It was only something crispy to make that more, interesting for our
Okay.
dear students who are very interesting in our love story.
Okay, okay.
They are enjoying right now to know about us. So there are only 2 times that I want to be with you, now and forever, and I am forever with you. Right now we are together and I am forever with you. And you have dedicated me a song. Will you please sing it? I won't.
I don't have good voice.
You can, I know.
I don't
मिले हो तुम हमको
know. Just read it.
बड़े
Even
नसीबों
you
से
don't have good voice, okay?
चुराया है मैंने किस्मत की लकीरों से तेरी मोहब्बत से सांसें मिली हैं सदा रहना तुम करीब होके. So you were saying that we shouldn't judge the grammatical mistakes. We should understand about the feelings. So right now, why you are judging my voice, huh?
I have better than you.
Then you can sing as well, but you are not singing for me, huh? Okay, morning would be, I am your morning would be better if I woke up next to you. Okay, morning would be better if I woke up next to you.
That's not
Okay, so right now every morning is better for you or excellent?
amazing.
So, and day spent with you is my favorite day. So today is my new favorite day. Okay. And you have left these blank pages for what?
Okay, I have better.
Okay. Any day Okay, the previous one. Okay, there, ahead. After this. Sweetheart, I am so lucky and happy to have you as my husband. Thank you so much, dear. I am super lucky. As you are lucky, so I am super lucky to have a beautiful wife who cooks delicious food. And moreover, she is very ambitious. She wants to become something in her life, and this is the most amazing thing which I admire about you. You are the wings of my dreams. I love you so much, my life. I love you too. If someone asked me what my future looked like, I would show them you. Okay, beautiful lines. And this was the day when we had celebrated the new year after engagement, for the first time, new year. The place was, I think, Metro Walk. It was Metro Walk, na? So it is our invitation card, wedding card. This is our wedding card. Okay. So guys, today it is not my birthday, but I am showing you one of the beautiful memories which I have. And actually we have. You are the meaning of my life. Happy Valentine's Day, my love. So you can understand right now that when I had got this. Okay. So now I am leaving some pages for another Valentine's Days, and from now we will write our every Valentine's Day in this diary. 14 Feb 2020, and this time it is my wonderful Valentine Day. Your surprise was awesome. So guys, if you want to know that what was my surprise, so please do mention in the comment box if you want to know about the surprise which I had given Kajal. So you can see these are the blank pages which Kajal has left for our coming Valentine's Days. So surely we are going to tell you that. So this is something which was made by her, and she had taken a lot of time and labor, hard work for making this for me. Why? Because she loves me a lot and I love her too. So guys, please subscribe our channel, and the most important thing is that keep sharing your love with us. Thank you so much guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like this video as well.